gotta go. I was just taking a video.
No, you're alright. Absolutely.
So yeah, I'm not looking forward to going through the gates. So I'll do another video when I get to the gate. Thanks for watching.